Hey Sojourners, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my homemade fertilizer for my garden. Okay, I use scraps from my kitchen and I place all those scraps in a 5-gallon container and I pour water on it and leave it there for a few days, and then I use that to fertilize my plants. Okay, so here we go. I have Irish potato and I use the peel from the Irish potato or any other food scrap that I have in the house. Okay, I use the peel from the banana and I'll show you. Okay, so I eat my banana. Okay, so I'll be cutting the scraps of the banana into small pieces. Okay, and I'll peel my Irish potato or whatever peeling I have. I'm going to do this just to get the peel from the Irish potato, okay? I could use a vegetable peeler. Right? And here, I'm going to cut these up. Now, in the kitchen, I have a little container. And here I collect all my food scraps in this. So I'm going to empty this in it. Okay, that's it. See? So in this I have scraps from avocado skin. I have banana peel. I have the Irish potato. I have some other peeling skin, some vegetable pieces of vegetable, like pieces of the broccoli and whatever else I use in the kitchen. I put it in this container and then I'm going to take it outside and I'll show you what I do with it. Okay, so here is my 5-gallon bucket with liquid fertilizer from my kitchen. Now that is what it looks like. So I'm going to stir it up a bit. And this has no smell, Sojourners, because I don't cover it tight. I just put the lid on and leave it so it can get air inside. And don't worry about the maggots that you see on top. Okay, in case you smell, you can always add some baking soda to the liquid and that will eliminate the odor that comes from it. So the maggots are in there, as you know, because the food is breaking down. Okay, so I just stir it. So there it goes, and I just rest my lid on it like that and leave it. Whenever I need to add it to my plants, I will strain it and pour it at the around the drip edge of my plants, not on the roots but around the drip edge. Okay guys, so that is my liquid fertilizer right there, and everything in it is coming from my kitchen. So my garden is organic gardening. Guys, thank you all for watching. If you appreciate this video, will you please give me a thumbs up? And for those who are watching for the first time, please subscribe before you leave and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.